care, just moving along. While the lights were out, I turned on the TV, watching the news they didn't cover. All about Manila, but we were struck so strong. Nobody seemed to care, just moving along.
These are the 7 most powerful men in China. They represent the top leadership positions of the ruling party, and their identities are revealed every 5 years at a carefully choreographed political event called the National Congress.
China's Communist Party unveils its new leadership over the next 5 years.
The order of appearance is symbolic. The first person to emerge is the head of the party for the next 5 years. At the most recent event in October 2022, that person was Xi Jinping, China's president for the last 10 years, who walked out in the top spot a historic 3rd time after getting rid of China's presidential term limit that restricted all his predecessors to 2 terms, a signal that he may be planning to stay in power for life. The world hasn't seen a Chinese leader like this since Mao Zedong, the revolutionary founder of the People's Republic of China, whose ruthless dictatorship scarred the Chinese people for generations. Xi has been compared to Mao a lot, and he clearly draws from Mao's playbook. But there's something else that connects these two. When Xi was just a young boy, Mao ruined his life. Generations apart, their paths crossed unexpectedly, and
so charging time niya ay 6 to 8 hours. Crowd di ko no dili mo charge pero nag-charge mo gyapon. Kaya ablihan na ako. Pwede na ako i-upgrade. Waman. Okay na rin 400 ko na. 3.5 volts, 2.4 AH. Okay kayo. 6 volt, 8 watts after 1110 lumens. Do you know what's 1100? Do you know what is 1100 lumens? That's very bright, guys. Do you know the kitchen only needs 300 lumens in architectural design? This one spits out 1100 lumens. That's more than enough. Pero istingan good sa actual. Ang iyang daylight 6500 kelvins. It means ang suga is hayag, almost one bright white, no? 6500 man kaya og 4000 na siya, mura na siya og yellow nga light bulb. I know this because we are also engaging in lighting design as architects. So 6500K mao na ikuan standard sa fluorescent puti. Yang LED Tigini di lang ni basta-basta. Samsung yun. running 50,000 hours. I don't know. So guys, charge ko karon sa solar. Gamit. Nalistak ko po. Antay niya pa hayag. Okay. You will never know when will it there be a blackout. Okay. Wala si controller guys. Mahalin naman niya yung bagyo. Huwag bagyo ipaki mga tao. Tao? Hindi bagyo, halin gini. Pero wala na stock. O sada. Wala ginang tao. Ang itagwa. Oh, gila eh. Suga eh. Suga. Usog. Sugiyo. Oh, ayun kayo guys. Ito. So, unsa advantage ani over lead acid batteries? Charging time yan dali ra. Maybe 3 hours, 4 hours charge yun. Oh, ini update guys. Dagom na guys. Ang mga tao naghigot na sa ilang atop. Busy kayo mga tao. Ano gano'n? Nanganda mas mano eh. Dagom na, dagom. Nagtuod ko wa may solar panel guys. Kaya mo ato ko sa imo kaya pa ko inverter. Yung pagtanaw nako sa mga tindahan. Full time din daghan nag-stock akong mama. Andam madadaan. Unang wala ko ni padto solar panels. Og inverter kay naa man day sa mga tindahan. Mo na kung solar panels ana. Battery like kulang ani. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 800 watts gini siya. Pero guba ng battery. Pero pang solar panel. Pero why would I not recommend this guys? Ako kikagasto ni. Per panel is 3,000 pesos kapin. Imagine that plus battery 100 AH nya sealed lead acid pagid. So sa battery pala lang 16,000 na. Pero kaniya imong gamiton lang. Kanila imong gamiton. You already have a system. Kanila. Tanawa unsa ko gamay ra. See? Yahaya kay ang output. The best part is modular. 490 pesos ra. So, kasi ang i-button. Stay modular sa imong solar system or solar panels. You only choose that if naka-budget. But remember, only the batteries only last for what, 3 years if well maintained. Pero kani, pagka to, it will last for more than 3 years because it is a lithium ion, new tech, dali ang fast charging. Pwede pa gid nga ma-upgrade. Para to bagid. So